Into how AI is disrupting a range of different industries for our AI Impact series.
The music industry is going through massive changes as artists, labels, and distributors grapple with how AI is going to impact their future.
Humans have long been fascinated by the power of music and acting to move and inspire us. But with the emergence of AI technologies like Sora and Genie, the future of these industries is being called into question. Where AI systems can generate realistic audio and video content, do we still need human singers or actors? Stick to find out 10 insane things that AI can now do. This way, you can see why singers and actors may soon become obsolete. Let's start. Number 10. Exact voice cloning. Voice cloning is a powerful new AI technology that allows a computer to imitate the voice of a specific person with startling accuracy. While it has many practical uses, such as assisting people with speech disorders or providing a digital voice for non-speaking individuals, it also has the potential to change the music industry. Singers have long relied on their unique vocal qualities to set them apart from the competition, but with the advent of voice cloning, it's now possible for anyone to mimic the sound of any singer. The implications of this are far-reaching. First and foremost, it could lead to a decline in demand for live performances by human singers, as fans may prefer to hear an AI-generated version that sounds exactly like their favorite artist. In addition, the new technology could make it easier for dubious individuals to create fraudulent music and profit from other people's work. Number 9. Endless adaptability. AI's adaptability knows no bounds. It swiftly adjusts to various music genres, acting styles, and even languages, effortlessly pleasing audiences worldwide. With its endless capacity to learn and evolve, AI can mimic the nuances of famous singers and actors, delivering performances that rival human talent. This adaptability means AI can cater to a broad range of tastes and cultural backgrounds, potentially overshadowing the need for traditional singers and actors. Additionally, AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data enables it to predict trends and create content tailored to audience preferences, further solidifying its dominance in the entertainment industry. While human emotions and creativity are irreplaceable, the sheer efficiency and adaptability of AI pose a significant challenge to the traditional roles of singers and actors. Number 8. Character creation. AI has become so smart that it can create characters for movies and shows that look and act just like real people. This means directors don't always need human actors anymore. Instead of going through auditions and casting, they can simply use AI to generate the perfect character for their story. This could mark the end of traditional actors as we know them. Imagine a movie where all the characters are made by AI. They can look like anyone, from famous actors to completely new faces. These AI-generated characters can have emotions and expressions, and even perform stunts just like real actors. This might change the way we watch movies and TV shows. It could make production faster and cheaper because directors won't need to deal with scheduling conflicts or pay high salaries to human actors. However, some people might miss seeing their favorite actors on screen. Number 7. Emotional rendering. Years ago, AI struggled to capture emotions authentically. But today, it's different. With just a prompt describing the feeling needed, AI can create performances that tug at the heartstrings. This emotional rendering by AI marks a significant shift, raising questions about the future of singers and actors. For instance, if you want a scene to be sad, you can tell the AI and it will generate performances that truly convey sorrow. This ability isn't limited to sadness. Whether it's joy, anger, fear, or any other emotion, AI can deliver it with precision. This advancement challenges the traditional roles of singers and actors. If AI can evoke genuine emotions in audiences, will there still be a need for human performers? The emotional impact could be just as powerful, if not more so, than performances by humans. Number 6. Script analysis. The traditional method requires singers and actors to learn scripts and songs, and then perform them in front of cameras or audiences. But now AI can do similar things, marking the end of traditional methods. One way AI does this is by analyzing scripts. It reads the words and understands what emotions and actions are needed. Then it creates performances based on this analysis. This means actors might not need to memorize lines or understand characters deeply anymore. Instead, AI can generate performances quickly and efficiently. For singers, AI can analyze music and lyrics to understand the style and emotions of a song. It can then produce vocals that sound like a human singer. This could mean fewer opportunities for real singers to showcase their talent, as AI can mimic their voices effectively. Number 5. Customization. Unlike humans, AI can easily personalize performances for each person's liking. Let's say you have a favorite song or movie scene. This movie can be tailored exactly to what you love. AI makes this possible by quickly analyzing data about what you enjoy and crafting performances just for you. For humans, making these personalized performances is tricky and takes a lot of time. Singers and actors have to practice endlessly to get things just right. And even then, they can't perfectly match everyone's tastes. But for AI, it's a piece of cake. With its super fast computing abilities, AI can crunch through tons of data in no time, figuring out exactly what each person wants to see or hear. This means that soon AI could potentially replace singers and actors in this aspect because it can give people exactly what they want without all the hassle. While it might spell the end for traditional performers, it opens up a whole new world of personalized entertainment for everyone. Number 4. Endless availability. Human performers face limitations in availability due to the need for rest, personal commitments, and the necessity to maintain physical and mental health. They cannot always cater to the audience's demands instantly. This creates gaps in entertainment availability, especially when fans crave continuous engagement. However, AI fills this void effortlessly. It operates tirelessly, always ready to entertain regardless of the time or day. This means that audiences can enjoy performances anytime, anywhere, without waiting for specific schedules or events. With AI, there's no need to worry about a singer or actor being unavailable due to illness, exhaustion, or conflicting engagements. The consistent availability of AI performers marks a significant shift in the entertainment industry, potentially leading to a decline in the reliance on human performers. With the continuous advancement of technology, the appeal of AI's endless availability may indeed challenge the traditional roles of singers and actors in providing entertainment to audiences worldwide. Number 3. Cost efficiency. With AI performers, making music and movies becomes cheaper. Right now, lots of money goes into making songs and films. Think about it. Paying singers, actors, directors, and all the people behind the scenes. There's also money spent on sets, costumes, and special effects. But with AI, many of these costs go down. You don't need to pay AI singers or actors a salary. They don't ask for fancy trailers or expensive makeup. Plus, they don't need breaks or holidays. They can work non-stop, saving even more money. This cost efficiency is attractive to entertainment companies. They see AI performers as a way to save big bucks while still making quality content, so they might choose AI over human performers more often. Number 2. Cross-cultural appeal. Currently, making movies or music involves bringing together people from different places, especially if the project requires people from different cultures. Sometimes, this takes a long time. This is one of the reasons why some movies take years to make. But now with AI, things are different. Some AI can speak many languages, making it easier to work with people from different tribes or cultures. This means AI can quickly create content that appeals to different people around the world. For example, an AI could write a script in English and then translate it into Spanish, Chinese, or any other language easily. This makes it possible to produce movies or music that everyone can enjoy, no matter where they're from. This is another reason why some people worry that AI might replace singers and actors. They think AI could create music or act in movies without needing real people in this regard. While AI can certainly do a lot, many still believe that human talent and creativity are irreplaceable. Number 1. Innovation and evolution. As technology advances, AI keeps getting better at mimicking human voices and expressions. Right now, it's already capable of creating music and movies without human help, and it's improving fast. Every day, AI developers work hard to make systems smarter and more powerful. Think about it. If AI can already sing and act, what's stopping it from doing it even better in the future? As the demand for entertainment grows, so will the need for advanced AI systems. If nothing is done to regulate this, human actors and singers might become obsolete. Imagine a world where every song is sung by AI voices and every movie star's digital actors. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds. AI is constantly learning and adapting. It can analyze millions of songs and movies to understand what people like, and then create new content based on that. The end of human performers might not happen overnight, But if we don't take action, it could become a reality sooner than we think. We need to think about the impact this could have on society and culture. Will we lose something valuable by replacing human creativity with AI algorithms? Regulation is essential to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically. We need guidelines to protect human jobs and preserve the uniqueness of human expression. Otherwise, we might find ourselves saying goodbye to singers and actors as we know them. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.